Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a game changer. I'm getting ready to show you something super easy, something super delicious that is going to change your life. It's fast, it's easy, it's simple, it's nutritious, and completely keto approved. So stay right here. Okay guys, as promised, this is going to be fast, easy, and super delicious. I've already got all of my prep work done here, but I'm going to guide you through exactly how to make this, and I promise it won't disappoint. So the first thing I have 2 avocados, about medium size, chopped up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to toss that in a pretty good sized bowl here, because when we get done we're going to have quite a bit. And then I'm going to add in about 3 slices of red onion that I've already chopped and diced. So we're going to toss that in. And then I'm going to add in some tomatoes. Now I like Roma tomatoes and cherry tomatoes because they're a little bit firmer than the larger garden variety tomatoes, but you can use whatever suits your taste. So I've just chopped some of these cherry tomatoes in half and I'm throwing those in. I chopped I think about 8 to 10 and just split those in half. Now the next thing I'm going to do is get all of this seasoned, and so we're going to put in a little bit of minced garlic. Probably about 1/4 of a teaspoon. You can add more to taste if you really love garlic. We're gonna put in a little bit of Himalayan sea salt. This is about also 1/4 of a teaspoon, and I like salt, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. And then I'm just going to kind of pepper to taste. So about an eighth of a teaspoon there. And then we're gonna throw in some Parmesan cheese. This is grated organic Parmesan cheese. That on the top. And then I'm gonna toss in just a little bit of organic lemon juice. You can squeeze it right out of the lemon. I just happen to have this in the fridge, so I'm gonna use this. And this is gonna be just probably maybe, I don't know, 1/4 of a teaspoon, about like that. You just want it so that your avocado doesn't turn brown. And it adds a nice citrus flavor. You can use lime as well. And then I'm gonna go in with some EVOO, some extra virgin olive oil, which this is gonna give us some more of the good fats that the avocado does. So I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of that in there. That's probably about maybe a teaspoon. And then I'm just gonna give this a toss. You can see the colors are really, really pretty. This is so nice to serve by itself next to a piece of salmon. You can also put it on top of chicken breast. You can put it on top of like a hamburger patty. That's excellent. And one quick thing that I love to do is buy a rotisserie chicken because it's fast, it's easy. If you're going to work, you're on the go. This is really great to just take off some of the rotisserie chicken, toss it in there, put it in a Tupperware container, and take it with you for a quick meal on the go. So we're gonna toss that in, and then the final piece, which is my favorite, is I have 2 to 3 pieces of bacon that I fried up and got pretty crispy, and I'm just gonna sprinkle that right on the top. So this is very good. You can add anything you want. I mean, you could put some ham, you could put some turkey, whatever your preference is. Okay, so we've put the bacon right here on the top. We're just gonna stir that in again. And this is ready to serve. Now another idea is you can put blue cheese or feta crumbles in there, and that's gonna give it a nice flavor as well. So you can take this base and you can add to it anything that your family likes or that you like better, and kind of change it up a little bit. But this is one of our personal favorites. Super delicious, can add it on to many, many different things. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did and you found it informative and you liked the recipe, drop us a comment, hit the like button. Please subscribe and support us. We love you guys. We're glad you're watching, and we really, really, really hope that you love this beautiful side dish. Thanks for watching.